In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan a trip using the ChatGPT Atlas app, an incredibly handy tool designed to make travel preparation easier and more efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, make sure to open the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you'll want to get it from your applicable app store to follow along seamlessly. This app is designed to integrate AI capabilities directly into your web browsing experience, making it perfect for scraping information from various websites and transforming it into useful, actionable travel plans. Now that the app is open, the next step is to navigate to the website that sparks your interest in travel planning. Today, we'll use Earth Trekkers as our example website. Earth Trekkers is a fantastic resource filled with detailed travel guides and itineraries that cover a wide array of destinations across the globe. Remember, the idea here is not to duplicate their work, but to utilize it as a foundation for your personalized travel itinerary. With the website loaded, the next move is to click on the Ask ChatGPT sidebar. This is where the magic of AI happens. The sidebar serves as your interactive space where you can ask the AI to perform various tasks, in this case, to assist with your travel planning. Once you've clicked on the Ask ChatGPT sidebar, think about what type of travel plan you want. The key here is the prompt you create, as this directs the AI on how to build your travel plan. So, for our exercise, let's construct something along these lines. Plan a trip based on this blog. This prompts ChatGPT to sift through the content on the page and generate a cohesive plan according to the information provided by the website. After crafting your prompt, it's time to hit submit. This action sends your request off to the AI, where it starts its process of analyzing the data and coming up with a tailored travel plan for you. If it takes a little while, don't worry. The app is working diligently to provide a comprehensive itinerary. While you wait, consider some additional details you may want to inquire about or add later, such as dates, specific interests like hiking or cultural experiences, or any special requirements you might have. Once the AI returns your travel plan, take a moment to review what it suggests. Compare it with the original site content to ensure it matches your expectations and covers all bases. Keep in mind that AI is a tool to augment your research, allowing you to customize and adjust the plan as needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully harnessed the power of ChatGPT Atlas to plan a trip. Happy travels, and may your adventures be filled with exciting discoveries and memories that last a lifetime.